Negation, in Portuguese, changes the meaning of a phrase to show an absence, contradiction, or denial. Negation nullifies words and sentences and shows they're false by adding a negative. In Portuguese, negation is systematic and simple, using the word não, which is equivalent to the English not or no. The basic rule is that the word always goes directly before conjugated verbs, which applies to all tenses. If in English an auxiliary verb is needed, Portuguese does not use it, so we simply put não before the verb. Some examples are: eu não estudo, ela não trabalha. Even so, when answering yes or no questions, Portuguese often repeats the word, so double negatives are common and sometimes required in many situations. One question is: você gosta de café? Possible answers can be sim, gosto. Não, não gosto. Considering double negatives, English doesn't allow this rule, but in Portuguese, it's necessary. Like saying, eu não tenho nada. I have nothing. On the side, it's very common to use numerous negative words, like nunca, ninguém, nada, nenhum, nem, tampouco, jamais. Some sentences are: nunca estudo à noite. Jamais esquecerei. Não vejo nada. Não conheço ninguém. Não gosto de café nem de chá. Não tenho nenhum dinheiro. Ela não tem nenhuma dúvida. Eu não gosto de café. Eu tampouco. As a note, the word nenhum is affected by gender. Nenhum, nenhuma. As a grammatical rule, não can actually move depending on the negative word. If a negative word comes before, it's not required, but if it comes after, não is required. This concept is better understood with the following phrases. Ninguém sabe. Não sabe ninguém. Both mean nobody knows, but the first one begins with a negative word, so no não is needed. But the second phrase starts with sabe, so we add não before it, thereby making a double negative. The last thing to know is negative expressions that have similar meanings in English, such as not yet, no longer, not even. Some examples are: já terminou? Ainda não sei. Are you done? I don't know yet. Eu não moro mais aqui. I no longer live here. Nem ele sabe. Not even he knows. Moreover, the language has many common daily expressions that you can use in everyday Portuguese. Não sei. Não entendo. Não posso. Não quero. Não tem problema. Não faz mal. Ainda não. Nunca. Claro que não. De jeito nenhum. Overall, this is how negation fully works in Portuguese.